She is known for her passion for fashion and regularly turns heads with her daring sense of style. And Amanda Holden kept herself entertained during the ongoing coronavirus lockdown as she took her bin while wearing a shimmering evening gown. The Britain's Got Talent judge, 49, donned a fuchsia dress with a daring leg scoop as she strutted her stuff while taking out her rubbish. Alongside the post, Amanda wrote, "Wheelie wanted to dress up tonight. Pound ball gown bins out, pound glam for your binman, pound clap it workers." Amanda posed playfully with her bin in one snap as she kicked her leg in the air, showcasing the elegant train of her dress. The actress then uploaded a video of herself wheeling her bin towards the end of her road as she dramatically flicked her hair while giving the camera a sultry stare. Styling her locks into loose waves, Amanda added height to her frame with a pair of gold heels with an ankle strap. Amanda's fun video was well received by her social media followers, with one writing, "We need stuff like this so much right now, you are a star." Another joked, "Have expected you to have slippers on with that dress," while one fan added, "You always look amazing." It comes after Amanda and her Heart Breakfast co-host Ashley Roberts turned day. The Heart Radio presenters are among the minority who still travel to their respective places of work amid the United Kingdom's current lockdown. But despite the relentless gloom, they found light relief by using an empty desk in their Leicester Square office to perform an impromptu fashion show. Taking to Instagram, Amanda shared a video of the pair showing off their outfits as they took turns parading from one side of the narrow desk to the other. Appropriately soundtracked with David Bowie hit Fashion, the short video sees both striking sassy poses, but Amanda, who broke her leg a little more than 6 months ago, almost loses her balance as S. Sharing an image alongside the video, the presenter also gave fans a stark reminder to stay safe and adhere to government health warnings by posing in a pair of protective pink rubber gloves. Looking typically stylish, Amanda opted for a white t-shirt and high-slung floral pattern skirt for her latest appearance in the studio. The presenter added to her understated look with a pair of simple canvas trainers, while deftly applied makeup drew attention to her distinctive features. Adding a still from the video to her own Instagram account, Ashley, 38, playfully referred to their fashion show as social catwalking.